Welcome to our tutorial on how to give Facebook page access to advertisers. If you're an admin of a Facebook page and want to allow an advertiser to create and manage ads on your behalf, here's what you need to do. First, go to your Facebook page and click on Settings in the top right corner. Second, scroll down and click on Page Access in New Page Experience section. Third step, People with Task Access, click on Add New, then click on Next button. Now, search person by name if she added in your friend list, or by typing his/her email. Turn on all options like Insights, Ads and Content. Now click on Give Access. Write your Facebook profile password and click on Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully given page access to an advertiser. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon.